in the given figure, O is the center of the circle. Prove that arc TQ is equal to arc QS. हामीलाई के भनिएको छ भने O is the center of the circle. अब हामी के हेर्छौं भने chord PQ र chord RT center of the circle बाट पास भइराखेको छ हैन. त्यसो भए we can say PQ and RT are the diameter of the circle, right? हामीले प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने छ arc TQ is equal to arc QS. That is, we have to prove this arc TQ is equal to arc QS. Okay? अब हामी गिवन मा के लेख्न सक्छौं त? हामी गिवन मा लेख्न सक्छौं O is the center of circle. To prove मा हामी लेख्न सक्छौं TQ arc TQ is equal to arc QS. हैन? अब जाउँ स्टेटमेन्ट र रिजन को पार्टमा. हामीले फिगर हेर्यौं भने हामी के हेर्छौं? PQ is parallel to RS, हैन? If PQ is parallel to RS, in that case angle TOQ, that is this angle, will be equal to angle TRS, that is this angle, right? That is, this angle is equal to this angle. How? Because these are the corresponding angles, right? So we can write angle TOQ is equal to angle TRS. Reason being, corresponding angles are equal. Okay? अब angle TOQ को arc कुन हो त? Arc TQ, हैन? We can write arc TQ is equal to angle TOQ. हामी लेख्न सक्छौं कसरी? From the relationship between the central angle and its opposite arc. Angle TOQ को opposite arc TQ हो, right? So we can write arc TQ is equal to angle TOQ. Reason being, relationship between the central angle and its opposite arc. अब थर्ड स्टेटमेन्ट मा हामी के लेख्न सक्छौं? angle TRS is equal to half of arc TQS or TQS. We can write this कसरी? Because TRS is the inscribed angle and its opposite arc is TQS, हैन? So the relationship between the inscribed angle and opposite arc ले के भन्छ भने angle TRS will be equal to half of arc TQS, हैन? अब स्टेटमेन्ट 1, 2 र 3 हामीले हेर्यौं भने हामी के गर्न सक्छौं? angle TOQ is equal to angle TRS, हैन? सेकेन्ड र थर्ड स्टेटमेन्टमा हामीले angle TOQ र angle TRS निकालेका छौं. त्यसो भए angle TOQ को ठाउँमा हामी arc TQ लेख्न सक्छौं in the first statement. Similarly, angle TRS को ठाउँमा हामी half of arc TQS लेख्न सक्छौं in the first statement, हैन? So we can write this as arc TQ equals half times of arc TQS, right? Reason हामी लेख्न सक्छौं from statement 1, 2 and 3. Okay? अब यो 2 लाई यता क्रस मल्टिप्लाई गरौँ है त. This will be equal to twice of arc TQ and TQS, arc TQS can be written as arc TQ plus arc QS. Arc TQ plus arc QS. हेरौँ है त फेरि. Arc TQS, that is this arc, is equal to arc TQ plus arc QS, हैन? त्यसैले हामी arc TQS लाई के लेख्न सक्छौं? This is equal to arc TQ plus arc QS, right? अब यो एक्सप्रेसनलाई हामीले सल्भ गर्यौं भने हामी के पाउँछौं? Twice of TQ minus arc TQ, हैन? This will give me arc TQ is equal to arc QS, right? हैन? हामीले यसले सल्भ गर्यौं भने यो एक्सप्रेसनलाई हामीले सल्भ गर्यौं भने हामी यति पाउँछौं, right? So we can write the reason as from statement 4. Okay? अब हामीले यही प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने थियो. हामीले यो प्रुभ गरिसक्यौं.